Are you planning to visit Oman? Stop. Do not pay a single penny for an Oman tourist visa until you watch this video. Did you know that citizens of over 100 countries can now enter Oman completely visa-free for 14 days? In addition, I will show you how you can get other popular tourist eVisas for Oman in just a few days and in the most cost-effective way. In the next few minutes, I'll explain how you can obtain a 10-day or 30-day Oman tourist visa without any hassle, including eligibility for a 14-day visa-free entry, as well as a 1-year multiple entry visa, the required documents, visa fees, visa processing time, and whether it requires middlemen. This video has it all, so stay tuned until the end. Let's get straight to the point. There are only two categories for issuing Oman visas, either non-sponsored or sponsored. The visa application process varies depending on the two groups of countries. Group 1 comprises the GI countries, over 100 countries, including GCC countries, and Group 2, the rest of the world countries. In this video, you will find out how to get a sponsored visa, a non-sponsored visa, and conditional visa-free entry. This video focuses primarily on travelers who are not from G1 countries, but from the rest of the world countries. Section 1. Let's start first with unsponsored category. If you are a citizen of G1 countries or certain second group countries like India, Egypt, Azerbaijan, Mexico, Vietnam, etc., and holds a valid visa/residence card from premium countries like the US, UK, Schengen countries, Canada, Australia, or Japan, you don't need a sponsor in Oman. Just log in to the official portal of the Royal Oman Police, link is given in description, and fill out application form 26N for a 10-day visa or application form 26M for a 30-day visa. Upload the required documents and pay visa fee. The fee is 5 riyals for a 10-day visa and 20 riyals for a 30-day visa, and payment can be made by credit or debit card. That's it. It's that simple. You will receive your eVisa by email in approximately 2 to 5 days. In addition, you can obtain visa-free entry for 14 days upon arrival in Oman under the non-sponsored category. This topic is discussed in more detail in Section 4. These are the documents that are required for visa under the non-sponsored category. Section 2 is the sponsored category, which is very important for travelers of non-G1 countries, as well as for those who don't hold a valid visa from any of the premium countries like Europe, the UK, the US, Canada, Australia, and Japan. They will need a sponsor to obtain an Oman visa, whether it's for a 10-day or 30-day stay. The sponsor can be an Omani travel agency or hotel or company, or relative. The easiest way is either to take services of a reputed local travel agency in your city that offers Oman tourist visas, or of any online visa providing websites. You will receive your eVisa within 3 to 7 days. The fee for 10-day and 30-day visas is 5 riyals and 20 riyals respectively. Local travel agencies or visa providing websites charge a visa processing fee, which is usually a fixed amount including the visa fee. These are the documents that are required for visa under the sponsored category. Section 3. 1-year multiple entry visa. Travelers from all G1 countries and certain specified listed countries, or second group countries holding a valid visa. From any premium country such as the UK, US, Schengen countries, Canada, Australia, or Japan are eligible for a 1-year multiple entry visa without the need for a sponsor. The process is simple. Log in to the official portal of the Royal Oman Police. Fill in the application form 36M, upload the required documents, and pay the visa fee of 50 Omani riyals by credit card or debit card. You may receive your visa approval via email in approximately 2 to 5 days. These are the documents that are required for visa under 1-year multiple entry visa category. And Section 4. 14-day visa exemption or conditional visa-free entry. Nationals of over 100 G1 countries, GCC countries, and certain specified listed countries or second group countries like India, Egypt, Azerbaijan, Mexico, Costa Rica, Jordan, Peru, Vietnam, etc., provided they hold a valid visa from premium countries such as the US, UK, Canada, Japan, Australia, or Schengen countries. The 14-day visa is free and issued directly at the entry points in Oman by the Immigration Department. These are the documents that are required for a 14-day visa-free entry into Oman. Please check the official website regularly for updates, as well as check your group country before applying for any changes to visa requirements, as different rules apply to different group countries. Do comment for any query regarding the Oman visa. Thank you so much for watching the video.